diabetes, it's not just about avoiding sugar, it's about eating smart. Pulses, legumes are packed with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. But not all of them are blood sugar friendly. Some pulses help stabilize glucose level, while others can spike them. So which ones should you eat? Hi, I'm Dr. Vikas Sangotra, an Ayurvedic practitioner with 15 years of experience. At eBlosis, we merge ancient wisdom with the modern science to help you achieve holistic health. From a scientific perspective, we will discuss glycemic index, which measures how quickly a food raises blood sugar, and glycemic load, which considers both the GI and the portion size. Ayurveda, on the other hand, analyzes food on the basis of Ayurvedic properties like the taste, rasa. The most pulses are mother sweet, that is, they are sweet in nature, but some have astringent, the kashaya taste properties, which help in diabetes. We talk about guna, the qualities. It can be dry, ruksha, light, lagu, and heavy, that is guru. For diabetes, we need light and dry pulses. We talk about the vipaka, the post-digestive effect. Some pulses convert to sweet taste after digestion, that is madhur vipaka, which may raise blood sugar. The best pulses to have is the katu and kashaya, means the one which has pungent post-digestive impact, which prevent glucose spike. And on the other hand, the virya, that is potency. Some are heating, some pulses are ushna, that is heating in nature, which helps to improve your metabolism. Since kapha is heavy, cold, and moist, we need pulses that are light, dry, and heating to balance it. So before we dive in, here's something special for you. We are offering free personalized Ayurvedic health report to help you understand your unique body type, that is Prakriti, your current dosha imbalance, the toxicity level in your body, ama, the digestive fire in your body, and much more. It's just a few minutes away. Click the link in the description, fill out a short questionnaire, and get deep insight into your health based upon Ayurveda parameter. Don't miss this opportunity. Try it today. Try it now. Now let's rank the best pulses for diabetes, starting from the powerful ones and ending with the absolute best dal or pulses for you, keeping your sugar levels in check. Which pulses you should eat in moderation and which one you must avoid. Well, number 5 is chickpeas. Chickpeas are a powerful house for health, especially for diabetes. In Ayurveda, they have sweet madhur and astringent kashaya taste with heavy guru and moist snigdha qualities. Slightly heating, ushnavirya, they help balance vata and kapha when eaten in moderation. Nutritionally, they have low glycemic index 28 to 33 and very low glycemic load 6.2 to 7.2, making them great for blood sugar control. So why are they beneficial? Rich in fiber and protein, slows sugar absorption, balances kapha dosha, reduces insulin resistance, and keeps you full, preventing overeating. For best results, soak and sprout them before eating. Enjoy them boiled as Chana Dal or besan, but avoid deep fried version. Number 4 is Kulthi Dal. It's also called horse gram, the Ayurvedic anti-diabetic pulse. The most powerful kapha-reducing pulse for metabolism. Ayurvedically, horse gram is pungent, astringent, light and dry, and highly heating ushna. It has a low GI 30 to 34 and GL 4.8 to 5.4, making it perfect. Why is it great? It reduces kapha, helps metabolism and water retention. You talk about it dissolves kidney stones too, common in diabetes, and it's really helpful in the people with frequent renal stones. It boosts digestion agni, which is often weak in diabetes. It is best to take it as the soup or sprouts in salad. Number 3 is Chana Dal, the best for insulin sensitivity, a nutrient-dense dal lentil that keeps hunger in check. Ayurvedically, this is astringent and sweet, that is kashaya and madhura. If you talk about properties, it is lagu, light, Ruksha, dry and slightly heating, Ushna, with low GI 35 and GL 5.9. It helps regulate blood sugar. So why is it great? It's rich in resistant starch, slow sugar absorption, high in protein, manages hunger and cravings, lowers bad cholesterol, the kapha balancing act. So if you don't like Chana Dal as it is, you can take it as a basin, you can make a flour of it, and roasted chana as a snack you can use also. So number 2 is Masoor Dal, protein rich and blood sugar friendly, a powerhouse of plant-based protein and gut health benefits. If we talk about Ayurvedic properties, the Masoor Dal is astringent, kashai, light, lagu, dry, ruksha, and slightly heating, that is ushna. It has very low GI 32 and GL 5.8, making it an excellent choice for diabetes. So why is it great? High in protein and fiber, keep sugar levels steady, boost gut health, reduces toxins, ama, support heart health, and crucial for diabetes. Take it as a Masoor Dal soup. You can make a roti, you can make a bread, you can make a pancake, you can mix with veggies for better digestion. The number 1 and the winner is green Moong Dal. The green gram, the ultimate best for diabetes. It is light and easily digestible that helps regulate blood sugar naturally. In Ayurveda, Moong Dal is known for its astringent, sweet, kshai madhu taste, light, that is its lagu, and dry, that is ruksha qualities, and slightly heating potency. With a low glycemic index, GI is 38, and very low GL glycemic load 6.8, it helps keep blood sugar steady. So why is it great for diabetes? First, rich in fiber, slow down glucose absorption, preventing sugar spike, boost insulin sensitivity, helps the body utilize sugar effectively, and the next is easy to digest because of light property, unlike heavier lentils. Sprouted moong is even better, increases enzyme activity, making nutrients more bioavailable. To get best result, take Moong Dal, green gram dal, khichdi for a light, comforting meal, warm moong soup for digestion, or sprouted moong salad for a refreshing and nutritious snack. So let's quickly check out pulses to avoid or limit in diabetes. Avoid black gram, Urad Dal. It's heavy, sticky, increases kapha. Its GI is 45 to 55, which is moderate. Also keep kidney beans in moderation, that is Rajma. It's slightly heavy, should be eaten in moderation, GI 52. And if we talk about another pigeon pea, the tur dal, with its GI 45 to 50, it can be consumed occasionally but not the best choice for diabetic. So what is the best ways to consume pulses for diabetes? Always soak pulses before cooking. Use spices like turmeric, cumin, ginger, hing. It enhances digestion and prevents sugar spikes. Eat pulses with fiber and vegetable. It slows down carbohydrate absorption and keep blood sugar stable. But remember, avoid too much ghee or butter. Excess fat can slow digestion, impact metabolism. And Ayurveda and modern science both agree that low GI, high fiber pulses are essential for diabetic management. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your diabetic friends and the family members. I will see you in the next video. Lots of love to all the beautiful souls out there. Namaste.